Do you want to change your relationship status on Facebook? You can update your relationship on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your relationship status on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the personal details section. Under this, find and tap on the relationship status. A new screen will appear. Tap on the drop-down arrow. Now, select your new relationship status from the list. You can also add your partner and adjust the privacy settings. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your updated relationship status will appear on your Facebook profile.